Good morning, all. How are you all? Okay, so in the previous class, we have studied something about the literature part, but today I think writing skill is very important, so we will start something in the writing skills. Dear children, for classes 6 to 8, writing skills are very important, and to begin with the writing skill, I feel notice writing is the first one that we can start today. So, what is a notice writing, dear children? While writing the notice, we should keep in mind some of the specific things that I'll tell you today. First of all, what is a notice? So, dear children, a notice is an important form of writing communication which is used by an individual or any organization to convey any very important information. And it is very important that the notice should be very short. What are the things that we should keep in mind while writing the notice? That is, the notice should always written in about 50 to 60 words, not more than that. And it should not be written in a personal pronouns. It means we should not use words like I, we. Okay? Then we come to the format of the notice. Actually, the notice contains three things in it. First is the format, then the content, and the expression part. It means all the three things are being very carefully noted by the examiner, or whenever we are putting the notice on the notice board. So these are the three things we have to keep in mind. And there are many types of notices. What are they? Number one, notices for the meetings. Okay, any meeting is there, we can form a notice for that. Then notice for the things lost or found. Then seminars and events can also be notified in the form of notices. Any competition, tours, celebration, any school's event like the cultural event or the sports event, the exhibition, that can also be given in the notice. Then the notice for the change of name or the address. These are the typical type of notices which one can write. So now let us come to the format of the notice. What is the format of the notice? See, dear children, always a notice is to be written in a rectangular box. Very importantly. Then in the first line we will write down the name of the issuing authority. Maybe the organization, the school, or any individual. Then in the second line we will write notice in capital letters. Then in the third line we come to the left hand side and we have to write down the date in the proper format. Third line, the topic or the title of the notice is written. See, dear children, all these three things should be written in capitals and we have to underline it also. Very importantly. Only the date can be written in cursive format. Otherwise, all these three things, the name of organization, notice and the title, they all should be written in capitals, and underlining it is very, very important. Then we come to the body of the notice. That should be written within 35 to 40 words, not more than that, which should include all the relevant information. If the notice, whatever kind of notice is there, we have to write down the information very properly. Then authorized signatory and the name and the designation. That should be written very importantly. One of the example we are going to do, that is, I am going to read out the question for you, which is, you can see it is written over here on this page. See, you are Ram or Rama Verma, the head boy or girl of Arvindo School, Dehradun. Your school had organized a 5-day tour of Rajasthan for the classes 6th to 8th. Draft a notice giving all the necessary details in not more than 50 words. This is the question and we have to form a notice for this question. So, we will form a box as you can see here. The box is formed here, the rectangular box. On the top, what is written? The name of the school, that is Aurobindo School, Dehradun. Below that, notice in capitals. Then to the left side, we have written the date and then the title in the fourth line, that is Tour to Rajasthan. This is the first part of the notice and we come to the body of the letter. In the body of the letter, you can see before the body of the letter and after the body of the letter, one line is left. Very importantly, we have to leave one line before and after the body of the letter. Now read out the content, what it is written, that all the students will be pleased to know that our school is organizing a 5-day tour to Rajasthan as per the details given below. And see children, the details are given in the bullet forms. Classes, which classes are involved, departure time, the arrival time, amount what is to be paid, and then interested students can give their name by 30th May to the undersigned. Who is the undersigned here? The head girl. Who is the head girl or head boy here? Ram Verma or Rama Verma. We will write down the designation. After that, we will close the box and the notice will be over. I think, dear children, this is clear to you all. In the next class, we will learn something more about notice or any other writing skill part we will take and have the class. Thank you.